Welcome back. Today's project is all going to be Jesmonite. I'm mixing up a total of 150 mils, which is the powder and the Jesmonite liquid together. Remember to check out my description box for links to any of the products I've used within this. Also remember, thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. If you hit that little notification bell, you will get informed of any future videos. I've speeded up this process just to save you time, but remember, you have that 5-minute warning until it starts to cure and a total of, 20 minutes until it's fully set. So instant gratification. But if you want to consider becoming a member, remember to click on the link on the front of my home page. And I want to say a sincere thank you to each and every one of my members. You are helping me keep sharing my content with others. Also, if you want to showcase your art in any medium whatsoever, join my Facebook group. It's a really small but very inclusive group, and a very supportive and collaborative. So you maybe inspire us, and hopefully we will inspire you. Now back to the project. How lush does that pigment look? It's just one drop and it's giving you this most beautiful aqua blue. And I wanted to keep this piece still and tranquil, and I was feeling Greece. I'm missing holidays, people, and I think that the end result is beautiful. It's an ongoing battle for me with air bubbles and the pressure of the time, especially when you're working with a mould like this. It's got many little holes that it can go in, hence where you'll see me rubbing my mould well to try and get rid of all those bubbles and put it in. But I'm going to leave you to enjoy some music, and I just want to say a sincere thank you to each and every person out there that is a supporter of my channel and me. I hope wherever you are in the world you are safe and well. I hope you enjoy this project, and I'll see you in the next one. I've got a few exciting ones coming up for you soon, so remember to watch out for those videos. Alright, have the most wonderful day, and I'll speak later. Bye bye. Alright, so it's been 24 hours. These have been waiting. I did paint on 2 numbers when it had just been released from its mould, and it doesn't seem to have had any negative reaction to it. But we're going to do the big one with the gold and the little one with the silver. Let's get them so you can see them. Oh. There we go. And I really do enjoy these. I mean, you could just have them on the wall or as a clock, as they're meant to be, or you could put them in pieces of art, or you could, yeah, like sundial. There's so many different things. Anyway, I do love this nice, cool, fresh colour. It reminds me of Greece with the gold and the red. The silver's lovely, and I really do like how that's got a very rustic look to it. I wish that had have come out here. Oh, you can see those sweat marks there. So that's what you need to avoid. That's where it's been on the back of the mould drying. I should put it on a drying rack, but I don't think it's going to devalue it. I mean, I could always do something to the back, but let's focus on the positive, Sharon. Let's do this pen with the gold and the silver, and then we'll look at what clock faces we've got. We are here for a quick review, and I wanted to show you them with the clock mechanisms. So they only need ones with small shafts. These ones are too long, so I'm going to look for some smaller ones and in silver, and I don't like the red second hand. However, I wanted to show you what they look like when they're working, and I just think these are a stunning little project that you can work on with Jesmonite. I might try them with resin, but I do feel that this mould lends more to the pottery kind of feel. And I embellished with the gold, and I did silver on the small ones. I do like some of the rustic look where the Jesmonite pigment is towards the top there. But thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. Remember to come back and visit me and let me know what you think to these. Now these shells in front here, for a little bit of ambience, I did those with one of my moulds. Anyway, I love you and leave you. I'll see you on the next time, and keep creating. See you. Bye bye.